Okay, welcome to PMG once again. Today we will discuss passive voice in present progressive, past progressive and future progressive. Okay, present progressive. Present progressive, or we can call it present continuous. Tense rule. Tense rule, subject plus is or am are plus verb ing plus object. Passive rule, object plus is or am are plus being plus verb 3 plus by. Okay? Suppose the boy is making a fire. The boy is making a fire. We know that object in active voice becomes object in the passive. Which is object? What is the boy making? What is the boy making? A fire. So here a fire is object. It will be subject here. A fire is being made is being made by the boy. Okay? They are planting many trees. They are planting many trees now. Which is object? Many trees. What are they planting? Many trees. So many trees is or am or are. Many trees are being planted by them now. Put the formula and get the answer. Here put the formula. Many trees are being planted by them now. She is inspiring me. She is inspiring me. Which is object? Object is me. Me becomes object here. I am being inspired by her. Okay. Here things are very easy. Subject plus is am plus verb ing plus object. Here object plus is am plus being plus verb 3 plus by. We know that object in active voice becomes object in passive voice. Here the boy is making a fire. A fire is being made by the boy. They are planting many trees. Many trees are being planted by them now. She is inspiring me. I am being inspired by her. Khala khatam. Bahi gunda. Kama finish. Sahaj na kashta pila? Bhayankar sahaj. Okay. Then past progressive or past continuous. Here tense rule. Subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object. PR means passive rule. Object plus was or were plus being plus verb 3 plus by. Plus by means plus by plus object. Here by plus object. Okay. So what happens here? Let's know. The man was building a house. The man was building a house. What are the man building? Which is object? A house. A house was being built by the man. Okay. Raju was drawing beautiful pictures. Okay. Which is object? Which is object? Beautiful pictures. Kahinki na, what was Raju drawing? Beautiful pictures. Beautiful pictures. Beautiful pictures was or were? Where? Beautiful pictures were being drawn by Raju. Put the formula and get the answer. Kichhi kashta achi? The man was building a house. A house is object. A house was being built by the man. Raju was drawing beautiful pictures. Beautiful pictures houchi object hela. Object in active voice becomes object in passive. Beautiful pictures were being drawn by Raju. Clear? I think you understood. Then future progressive, what happens? Future progressive or continuous? Here, subject plus shall or will plus be plus verb ing plus object. Actually, in future progressive, we don't turn an active sentence into passive because that sounds very unnatural and heavy. Grammatically correct, we can turn it. We have a rule. Suppose object plus shall or will plus be plus being plus verb 3 plus by. We can do, for example, Raju will be writing a novel. Raju will be writing a novel. It can be a novel will be being written by Raju. Actually, this sentence is grammatically correct. Grammatically correct. It is grammatically correct. But it sounds unnatural and seems awkward. It sounds unnatural and seems awkward. ତେଣୁ এই ପ୍ରକାର ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ we don't use in our common speech. ସାଧାରଣତଃ common speech ରେ ଆମେ ଆକୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁନାହୁଁ. Instead we do what? A novel will be written by Raju. We don't use like such sentence. A novel will be being written by Raju. We say a novel will be written by Raju. We don't use such sentences because these sentences are unnatural in English. बेले बेले से कहते फ्यूचर प्रोग्रेसिव बा फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस रे नो पासिव पासिव नहीं हे परिवो ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट बट इट साउंड्स वेरी हेवी एंड अननेचुरल सो वी अवॉइड इट क्लियर लेट्स नो द डिफरेंस कौन आम देखिबा प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव फ्यूचर प्रोग्रेसिव Here, active subject plus is or am are verb ing plus object. Passive object plus is or am are plus being plus verb 3 plus by. सेठी कौन होची सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज आम आर प्लस verb ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. पासिव रे कौन होची ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस इज आम आर प्लस बीइंग प्लस वर्ब 3 प्लस बाय. पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव से कौन होची ना एक्टिव रे होची कौन एक्टिव रे सब्जेक्ट प्लस वाज और वेयर प्लस वर्ब ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. पासिव रे कौन पासिव रे ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस वाज और वेयर प्लस बीइंग प्लस वर्ब 3 प्लस बाय. नो पासिव. फ्यूचर रे वी डोंट यूज एनी पासिव so we say no passive. As I have already told you that we can do, but that sounds unnatural. Clear? I think you find the difference. So, dita sentence देई करूची ओटा present progressive ओटा past progressive. Suppose Mita is writing a poem. Then Mita was writing a poem. Present progressive is subject plus is am are plus being plus verb 3 plus by. Past progressive subject plus was were plus verb 3 plus being plus by. Mita is writing a poem. A poem is being written by Mita. By Mira. Then Mita was writing a poem. A poem was being written by Mira. Is it easy or difficult? Okay. A poem was being written by Mita. Yes. Mira is writing a poem. Mita was writing a poem. So what is the difference? Present progressive, past progressive. Present progressive, past progressive. Present progressive, subject plus is are plus being plus verb plus by. Past progressive, subject plus was were plus being plus verb plus by. It singular अच्छी was बसला, it singular अच्छी is बसला. Then plural थले was where बसिବ. Clear? Present progressive and past progressive रे ମୁଁ ଚାରିଟା ବାକ୍ୟ ଦଉଛି. You just write their answers in the comments. Okay, turn into passive. Turn into passive. Number 1. The man is repairing his house. Number 2. They were arranging a feast. Number 3. We were planting a lot of trees. Number 4. The girl is singing a song. Okay, write their answers in the comments. Okay, obey your teachers, obey your parents, keep on watching PMG, keep on learning English. May God bless you.